In September 2020, my father suffered a heart attack. So, I know this will be a tough video, but I will share what exactly happened and I will also share the three lessons that I learned from that incident. Hello everyone, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar and let's jump in. Okay, so now I will tell you when it happened and what happened. So, it was September 18, 2020. I was completing the client tasks. My family was watching TV and having fun. All of a sudden, my father called my brother and they went to our family doctor. As I finished a client call, my brother called me. On the call, he said, "Please send me 41,000 rupees." I asked, "What happened?" He said, "Papa ji ko heart attack aaya." My whole world turned upside down. I was trembling. I could not stand on my legs. I thought I was paralyzed. My heart sank. With tears falling down my eyes, I left everything and rushed to the hospital. The drive to the hospital was only 5 minutes, but my eyes were filled with tears and I could not see the road clearly. Somehow, I reached the hospital and saw my brother standing there, scared. I could not stop my tears. Then the doctor came and said, "The patient needs an injection urgently." So I deposited 41,000 rupees and he was given the injection on time. He was in the hospital for 5 days. He recovered. He returned home, but the day of his heart attack still haunts me. When he was in the hospital, I realized how fleeting life is and I realized how less time I was spending with my family. So I decided to start a business where I will have the freedom to work whenever I want. Since starting my business, I've been spending at least 4 hours with my family. So, the first lesson that I learned from this story is that life is fleeting. Life is unpredictable. You don't know what will happen when you don't know the person that you see today, you may not see them tomorrow. So, it's crucial to enjoy life. I've been an overthinker. I have had issues with my mental health, but uh, I think life is about enjoying. The more you enjoy, the better it becomes. Happiness does not need a reason. You can be happy without any reason. So, life is fleeting. Yes, I know there are challenges and problems in everyone's life, but uh, if you can be happy, I think uh, you'll do a whole world of good to the creation of the universe. So try to be happy. Life is fleeting. I know it is easier said than done, but try to find happiness in your everyday life and share it with your loved ones. The second lesson that I learned is spending time with the family is crucial. uh, Before my dad suffered a heart attack, I used to, I think, give them at least only an hour every day. But after his heart attack, I try to spend at least 4 hours with my family. It need not be we talking with each other, but it could be, watching our favorite TV show. It could be doing our favorite activity, or just, talking to mom when she is cooking. So, whatever you can, however you can, please try to spend time with your family because they are the ultimate treasure of life that you have. So, spend time with them. I know time flies when we have fun, but spend time with them because they are the ones that actually care. When I started my business, yes, I got positive support, but at the same time, I was mocked by my relatives and my family supported me. They supported me, and only because of their support, and I'd also like to add the support of my fiancée Archana Kumari. Due to her support and my family support, I was able to persist and start the business. And now wherever I've reached in terms of business, it is due to my family support. So spending time with the family is extremely crucial. And the third lesson I learned was do whatever you love. As I said in point number one, life is fleeting. You don't know what will happen and when it will happen. So do whatever you love. If you love playing cricket, go play cricket with your friends every weekend. If you like cooking, cook your favorite food stuff, your favorite dessert. Uh, if you like watching a movie, go watch a movie. spare time every day for the things that you love. Yes, I know in our busy lives it is difficult to spare even a minute, but if you can spare time only for the things that you love, not for someone else but for you. So it is my request to spend time doing things that you love. Thankfully, after I left the job, my fiancée Archana Kumari supported me, and I was able to establish a business doing things that I love. So I've been extremely fortunate in terms of that. I've got an extremely supporting and a wonderful life partner. So she has helped me on every step of the way, and I think wherever I've reached, a major chunk of the credit goes to her. If she hadn't supported me, I think I would have been frustrated with the job. So do whatever you love. It will be difficult, but once you spare time to do things that you love, you will see that you feel happier and you feel more positive. So those were the three lessons that I learned from my dad's heart attack. And the question is, why am I doing this business? So I'm doing this business because I'm on a mission to help 10,000 people achieve three things. Number one is financial independence. I'm an affiliate marketer and coach, and I want to help 10,000 people live a life of financial independence so they have more time freedom. Once they earn from things that they love, once they earn from the business that they want to establish, or from that coaching business, that teaching business, that cooking business, whatever it is that excites them, if it helps them achieve financial freedom, they'll have more time. And when they have more time, I want them to spend more time with their family. So that's my mission. I'm on a mission to help 10,000 people live a life of financial independence so they have more time to spend with their family. So if you concur with me, if you relate with me, if you align with the mission that I have, I'd request you to join my community by going to shubhamjeetkumar.com/affiliate-mastery affiliate foundation. I've also placed the link in the description box or in the comments box. You can click the link, enroll now, and start learning right away. And my community will definitely help you to improve yourself to establish your affiliate marketing business. So you get three things: financial freedom, time freedom, and more time to spend with your family. So that's about this episode. In this episode, I shared a story that changed my life, the story of my dad's heart attack. I also shared three lessons that I learned from that incident, and I also shared my mission of starting my business. So if you concur with me, if you align with my mission, please join my community by clicking the link in the episode description or in the comments box, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. So that's about this video. Thank you so much for watching. All the best, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.